So we're going to show you how to empty your gray and your black tank. We typically use the Rhino elbow so that you can see when it is running dry, when the flow is slowing down. You just need to hook that on to the male end of the sewer hose, just like that. Okay, and it may already be hooked up depending on how it's been left. Then you're going to hook the next part up to the RV itself. So first you just want to make sure that the valves are shut. They just push in is shut and pull out is open. Next, you're going to take off your valve cap. So you're just going to go ahead and twist it to the left. So then you just take the valve cap off like that and hook up your hose just like that. And then you're going to come back to your dump location. So you just lift that up, put that in just like that. And then you put the weight that they nicely provide on top, but if they don't have a weight, use a rock or something else just to weigh it down a little bit. Then you're gonna go back over to your valves. You always pull the black valve first. Once that is empty, once you see it mostly clear, and you go ahead and shut the black valve by pushing it all the way in, and you can open the gray valve for dumping your gray tank. And then when that one also runs clear, you can go ahead and shut it. Okay, then the next step is just to unhook your hose from the RV. Okay, then once you have your hose off, you're just gonna go ahead and put your cap on. Okay, and then next, you just remove your weight, pick up your hose, recap your sewer, and now you just need to put your hose back away in the bag that we provided for it.